Welcome to Auto Addicts, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our detailed reviews, updates, and exciting automotive content. Today we're diving into something truly unique, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Mini Pickup Truck. This vehicle is all about blending retro charm with modern practicality, and I promise you'll want to stick around till the end because this little truck might surprise you with its mix of old-school styling and up-to-date performance. The first thing that captures your attention is the exterior. Dodge has gone bold with a nostalgic throwback design, taking inspiration from classic Ram pickups of decades past while shrinking it into a compact, city-friendly form. The squared-off body, prominent chrome grille, round headlights, and bold Dodge badge all scream vintage appeal. At the same time, modern touches like LED daytime running lights, aerodynamic curves, and sharp alloy wheels remind you this isn't just an old truck revived, it's a modern reinterpretation. The compact size makes it ideal for tight city streets and parking spaces, while the tough, muscular lines preserve that rugged Ram identity we've all come to admire. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a cabin that perfectly fuses nostalgia with comfort. The interior has a retro-inspired dash layout with clean, simple lines, but don't let that classic look fool you. Dodge has equipped the 2025 Ram Vintage Mini Pickup with all the tech you expect in today's market. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system right in the center, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity. The vintage-style analog gauges are complemented by a digital driver's display, striking a balance between old and new. The seats are designed with premium fabric or optional leather, and Dodge has added stylish stitching patterns that nod back to their heritage trucks. Despite the truck's compact size, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious, with clever storage solutions, folding seats, and a functional layout that suits both daily commuting and light-duty hauling. Performance is where things get even more interesting. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Mini Pickup comes with multiple engine options. The base model is powered by a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing enough punch for city driving and weekend getaways. For those who want a bit more muscle, there's an optional hybrid setup combining electric assistance with a 2.4-liter engine, delivering better fuel economy and extra torque. And true to Dodge's performance heritage, rumors suggest a sportier variant with a tuned-up engine could be on the way. The truck's compact size and lightweight build make it surprisingly nimble on the road. Handling is tight, the steering is responsive, and parking is a breeze. This isn't meant to tow massive trailers, but for light loads, city deliveries, or weekend adventure gear, it's more than capable. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest points of this truck. Dodge knows people buying this won't be hauling thousands of pounds but rather looking for style, convenience, and everyday usability. Expect mileage figures that rival compact SUVs, making it practical and affordable to run, even with today's fuel prices. The hybrid variant, in particular, is expected to deliver impressive numbers, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious buyers. Now let's talk price. Dodge has positioned the 2025 Ram Vintage Mini Pickup as an accessible yet stylish option in the market. Starting prices are expected to be around the mid-$20,000 range, with higher trims and the hybrid setup pushing closer to $30,000. For what it offers, unique styling, everyday practicality, and a touch of nostalgia, that's a very competitive range. This makes it an attractive option for younger buyers looking for something different, as well as seasoned truck enthusiasts who want a fun second vehicle that stands out. So, what's the overall takeaway? The 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Mini Pickup Truck is a bold move from Dodge, offering something the market doesn't often see, a small pickup that's fun, stylish, and practical. It captures the heart with retro design while satisfying modern demands with advanced tech, efficiency, and comfort. Whether you're someone who loves classic trucks, or you just want a unique vehicle for your everyday drives, this mini Ram could be exactly what you're looking for. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, what do you think about Dodge bringing a retro-inspired mini pickup to the modern market? Would you consider owning one, or do you think trucks should stay big and powerful? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. Thanks for watching today's review of the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Mini Pickup Truck. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Addicts and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our deep dives into the latest cars, trucks, and everything in between. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and stay addicted to autos.